Hello, my name is Debbie Fowler, and if you're worried about internet security, I'm going to show you 5 tips on how you can protect yourself. But before I do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified when new videos are posted. Some people don't take internet security seriously. According to Security Magazine, consumers lost $19.4 billion in 2017 due to cybercrime. In the United States alone, 143 million consumers were victims. It's a real thing, and if you're not careful, you can become a victim. So if you're someone who is worried about internet security, here are 5 tips on how you can protect yourself. Number 1, create strong passwords. Don't make it easy for a hacker by choosing your street address, your pet's name, birth dates, or even a family member name. That information can easily be found and is the first thing that a hacker is going to try. Also, never use the same password for multiple sites. You can use an online password generator to come up with a unique set of letters, numbers, and symbols that will make it harder for someone to hack into your account. You can try something like passwordsgenerator.net. And if you're like most people, then you probably have a lot of websites that require a login. And the last thing you want to do is write it down on a piece of paper so it can easily be found. You can use secure online password managers like Keeper, or look into Chrome extensions like Dashlane or Blur. Number 2, be careful which apps you install on your devices. Every time you install an app on your device, it will ask you for permission for your phone or tablet's features. That can be contacts, photos, your camera, etc. So one app can take over your device and get all of your private data. Now I know it can be difficult because you might see an app that would make your experience on your phone or tablet more enjoyable, but just be mindful that not every app will have your best interest at heart. And installing the wrong one can actually cause your private data to be exposed. And the last thing that you want out there is something like your credit card data or your banking data. Do a little research on the app before you actually download it. Number 3, don't access secure information on an unsecure line. It's easy for us to access anything from anywhere, but be careful when you're accessing data when you're on a public Wi-Fi system. Anyone can hack a network that's public, so if you're doing any kind of sensitive online transactions like online banking or stock trading, then you need to be extra careful. It's actually best not to access anything that's sensitive unless you have a secure connection. But if you absolutely have to access it, then make sure you're typing in the URL yourself. Don't use any links that are in emails. And then make sure that the connection is encrypted. That means that the URL starts with HTTPS. If you want to be completely private on public networks, consider subscribing to a VPN service. Number 4, be mindful of cloud services. If you're using services like Dropbox, iCloud, or Evernote, just be mindful that your stored information is potentially accessible to others. Systems have vulnerabilities where any bug in the programming can allow hackers to access your sensitive data. So never store your passwords or very sensitive information in the cloud. There's also a chance that you could lose all of your data, so make sure it's backed up just in case. So if you're using these types of services, make sure that your data is encrypted. Number 5, install malware protection. Spyware, Trojans, viruses, adware is always finding new ways to invade our devices. Now this isn't anything new, but a surprising number of people don't understand the severity of what a virus can cause, and they don't have adequate protection against it. No device is immune. There are phishing scams, and there are also fraudulent websites that look exactly like the real website, but the purpose is to collect a person's personal information, usernames, and passwords. This type of scam happens a lot in emails. Anyone can make an email look legitimate, and when the user clicks on the link inside the email, the hacker is getting a person's private information. So it's best to type in the URL yourself just to make sure it's correct. A lot of companies offer packages that will protect all of your devices. McAfee and Trend Micro also offer password management features that will help you protect all of your devices and sync all of your passwords as well. Sometimes we get caught up in the fact that everything is available at our fingertips and we forget that our devices are vulnerable, and when our personal data is exposed, it can cause a headache, loss of time, and sometimes money to fix. I hope this information was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment below, and remember to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when new videos are posted. I'll see you in the next video.